Hi, hello and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. In today's episode I would like to show you how to make this beautiful Christmas ornament from soda cans. Decorated with a ribbon, it can be attached to a Christmas tree. So if you like what you see so far, please stay tuned because I'm going to show you step by step how to make this beautiful Christmas ornament. First of all, we're going to start with flattened soda cans. I already posted a video how to make these flattened aluminum sheets from regular soda cans. Just follow the link in the upper right corner. You will be guided to my YouTube channel where you find the corresponding video. And here it is explained how to turn your regular soda cans into flattened sheets of aluminum with the use of an electric iron. Okay, then let's start. The Christmas ornament is made of a lot of stars that are soldered together to form a Christmas ball. I use here a special punch with magnets to produce all the stars. A link where to buy this punch is given in the description of the video. Now the first star is produced. You just need to flatten the edges of the star a little bit by the use of flat nose pliers. Then we continue producing stars from our flattened soda can to make as many stars as possible. And here you see the leftover of such a flattened soda can. It looks very nice. Maybe this will turn into a new project. But let's continue with the stars. Take some nail polish remover to clean the stars. Then we cut some 1 centimeter pieces from a adhesive copper band. It is almost impossible for a hobbyist to solder aluminum together, so therefore we use this copper band. Use your fingernails to remove the paper from the adhesive copper band. Then form the copper band around the edges of the star. And then apply a little bit of pressure, first with your fingers and then with your scissors, in order that the copper band sticks to the aluminum. Repeat the entire process until all the stars are covered with copper band. And even having applied the copper to the edges of the star, you need to use some flux. So place the edges of the stars in the flux and then use some cotton swabs to distribute the flux evenly. And now we heat up the soldering iron and apply solder to the edges of the star. And here we go more closer to the object so you can see how to distribute the solder. When all the edges of the stars are covered, we go to the reverse side and repeat the entire process again. And now I can show you all the 3 stages again. We have first of all started with a star of aluminum, then we covered it with copper, and in the end you see the copper covered with solder. The next step is now to combine all the stars by solder them together. Again, use flux to combine the stars. With a little bit of solder on the soldering tip, you combine 2 edges of a star and they will be fixed together immediately. and then solder the last star to combine the entire Christmas pole to your final product. So I hope you liked that project, how to make this Christmas ornament from soda cans. Stay creative and so long.